So, first of all, good evening, sir. This is Shreyas Majindar with the ID number X231 double eight double 231 88774 with the group number 05. So with the and the topic name is credit card approval prediction. So first of all, first of all, we merged we collected the three data set and merged them together merge them together in with this code. So first of all, I we the import pandas as a PD means it uses the panda it refers the panda function. So panda function and fetches the panda library. After that, load the data set. We the in this one which is loaded the all the three data set all the three data set. After that, standardizes the column. It means it strips the white spaces and convert lowercase values lowercase and replaces space within the underscore. So after that, check for the common columns. Find which columns are common and between any two data set. After that, the potential keys. It means that column exists in all the data set and unique all three data set which is unique, and it will reliable to join with the key. So after that, after that which identify the duplicated column date birth. So in this one, in this one, it in this one, we converted the day birth to the year, day birth to the year, and after that drop the redundant column means it will drop the no it will drop the column which are not required for the merged data set. After that, it will convert the age into the years, as I mentioned above with the as I mentioned above with the help of this function. So after that after that it will do the feature engine means also that the convert days birth into the year function. So after that it will normalize the genders, ensure that it will label it to the male or female type, male or female. So after that, which it handles the missing data, which is used to with the function of the merge drop now, which drops the rows with the null values and the missing gender values. After that it will reload and reclean the data. It will show that which it means the data set is clean and applies through the gender transformation. And after that after all running all the things, the merge data set is created. So for my side, my model name is neural network, neural network. This first of all, this one is the new this one is the neural network code. So from for the first slide, it will mount all the content from the drive, between content from the drive. After that, it will fetch the merge data. It will fetch the merge data set from the drive. After that, I installed some function which is some installed a function and packages. It installed the packages which is required for this model. So first is NumPy. Second one is Pandas. After that, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Skitlearn. So after that, this is the main neural network code for this merge data set. So first one is the NumPy. NumPy performs the numerical operation and especially on the arrays. Pandas, loading and manipulate the table. It will manipulate and loading of the tabular data in the tabular data. Matplotlib, Matplotlib and Seaborn for creating the graphs and plots, which is used for the visual representation. OS, which is used to interact with the operating system. So after that, the Sklearn. So Sklearn is a test, train, and split, which divide the data set into the training, validation, and testing phase. After that is the standard scalar. A standard scalar is a which it used to normalization the data. Accuracy score, accuracy score and confusion matrix for evaluating the model. And after that is a PCA, which reduces the feature dimension. And after that there is a from import version. It means it is checked to ensure the compatibility. After that is which after that there is a load data set. It loads the data set from the load the data set from the drive. Load the data set from the drive with the function of df dot with the df with pd dot read. So after that, it is after that df dot columns means cleans the column by removing the spaces and converting them into the lowercase. After that, drop fill now. It means that which fills some numerical values. After that, there is a categorical column. It shows that it will finds the all the columns with the text and categorical data categorical data encoded function in the encoded function which dot fit it encodes the categorical data into the numbers. Splitting the features and labels. It means that it is that the x is equal to df dot top and y is the df approved and values reshape. It means that x indicates the input the data and y indicates the columns. After that there is a function called standard scalar. It means that standardizes the data so each feature has mean of zero and standard deviation one, which a neural network prefers. Training and validation telling split. It means that the use it is it first of all the training the user to train the model and the validation set means user to tune the hyper parameter which checks for the overfitting. Test set is used to only evaluate the find the model performance. After that, the main thing is the neural network configuration. In the neural network configuration, this has the two hidden layers, 6 and 5 neurons. One output neuron for the binary classification, and lambda reg means which is help for the generalization, and the log epochs means 0, 100, 20, 300, 400, 500, which calculate the epochs until the 500 450. So after that there is a function with the weightage weight. So it initializes the weight with the small value and small value 0 and biases. And after that this mw1 means it is the momentum and the this momentum and the velocity used by the Adams optimizer. So after that there is a function called ReLU. ReLU means ReLU. The most common function used in the neural network. If input is negative, it returns zero, and if input is positive, it generates the same value. The sigmoid function causes the input value to the between 0 and 1, useful which is useful for the binary classification. So this for this model, use the output layer for the output layer of the model. After that, there is a train section. So training neural network using the training data for each round of epoch. First, calculate the prediction for forward pass. Then see how far the loss adjusts to prove the back propagation. Use Adam optimizer to update the weights smartly. So after that, there is a validation accuracy. It means that it for performs a forward pass through the neural network on the validation of the data set. After that, there is a test accuracy. In the test accuracy, it is the same as the validation. So run on the test data, which represent the evaluates the model performance with the use of the with the use of the test accuracy. It will show the model performance, how much model learning and shows the result. After that, there is a other function called as confusion matrix. This shows the how many prediction model got right or wrong. So which in the form of approved means zero, approved means one, not approved means zero. So after that, there is a function called there is a another one is accuracy bar. In the accuracy bar chart, it will show the validation data and the test data. If the both bars high and close, is model is generalizing very well. So after that, there is a loss curve. Loss curve means it shows the how wrong model predicted how model predictions are. The downtrend in the loss curve means it the model is running well and well trained and learning. So in the last one, the ROC curve. The ROC curve shows that the trade-off between the sensitivity and the specificity of the model, which different the thresholds. So and these are the four functions. It will show the visual representation of the our neural network models. So in the yeah, as the results are showing, the epochs and the losses. So after the epochs are 100, it will after the epochs is 0, the loss is 80. Then 100 for the 100 is 61. For the 200 is 66. The 300 66. 66 to 693, and for the last one is the 65 65 for the last one is 65 659005. After that it will show the validation accuracy and final test accuracy. It means the validation accuracy is 0.9294, and final test accuracy 0.9252. It means it will show the validation accuracy and test accuracy are high and close. As I mentioned before, it means the model is generalizing very well. So, as a part of the visual representation, the confusion matrix gives the clear picture of the how many predictions were correct. The true negative, top left 2899. These are the cases where the model correctly predicted that a person should not be approved. The false positive, top right 229 predicted the approval for the 229 people should be approved. So, false negative means the bottom left, the model is rejected the people who should not be approved, who should be approved. And the true positive, bottom right 1752, it shows the correctly approve the right people. After that, the validation and the test accuracy. Validation and the test accuracy are high and close. It means the model is trained and generalizing very well. So after that, there is a loss curve. In this loss curve, as I mentioned about it will show the epochs of 0, 100, 200, 300, and 400. So it means it will decreases with the downtrend. So it means that a model is learning very well, and it will show the correct losses as the patterns are decreasing the data. So after that, there is a ROC curve. ROC curve for it is helps to understand how well the model is distinguish approved and non-approved cases. In this one, the x-axis is false positive rate, y-axis is true positive rate, and last one is the orange curve. It will show the details to make the prediction. In this our neural network, the model is trained very well, and it will show the ability. It has the ability to make the good predictions and good prediction. And after this ROC curve with the 0.98, it means shows as a significant ability to predict the approved and non-approved cases. So that's about my neural network model. Thank you.